Hey mamas, it's me again. So, this is going to be very quick. I want to tell you about a giveaway. Yes, a giveaway. We're going to do a giveaway. But before I get into the details about the giveaway, well, let's just, check in a little bit. How are y'all doing? What's going on? I've been doing really well. October is coming, and I'm just really excited about October. And in a few weeks, you all will learn a little bit more of why, but a few things that are happening. Empower Wellness is going to start on Sunday. We got 12 new mamas and a whole new group. Season 2 of this very podcast will begin very, very soon on Monday, October 5th. So I've been working really hard to plan out what season 2 is going to look like, and it's going to be a mix of me, but then also some guests. So we're going to have more guests on the podcast for season 2. Balanced Working Mama is just doing well. We're really trying to think of ways that we can grow and expand and help to change the narrative for many, many more mamas who really need more support, more empowerment, more encouragement, more community, more balance, really all the things. So I am very pleased, but also fall is just a great time. Fall is one of my favorite seasons. We got the leaves falling. We got, the cool, crisp weather. My birthday is in November. So fall is always a good time for me. So I'm feeling good. I'm really feeling good. But let me get to the details of this giveaway. So I really want you all to pay attention and participate in the giveaway because I've got some good things coming for you. So here are the details. We've got a giveaway going. I think this is the very first time that I'm doing a giveaway for the podcast specifically. But this is what it requires. Well, wait, no. First, before I tell you what it requires, let me tell you what you actually win for the giveaway. So the winner of the giveaway will be announced on the first episode of season 2, which will be released on Monday, October 5th. And the winner of this giveaway will receive a body butter sampler kit. Yes, so if y'all like body butters, this is for you. You will receive 4 different types of body butters, all 4-ounce sizes from Spiritual. So, my girl Elise, she's one of my good friends, one of my fave IG mamas. She has recently started an amazing shop called Spiritual, and I will include the information in the IG. She's got bath soaps, she's got body butters, she's got so many amazing dope things. But I really love her shop, but also her mission, because at Spiritual they really believe that self-care is a ritual and something that we all should be incorporating into our lives. So teaming up with her, she's going to be gifting our winner of the giveaway a body butter sampler kit. So y'all don't want to miss that. But this is what you have to do if you want to win that body butter sampler kit. Head over to my IG. Hopefully all of you all are following me on IG at Dr. Amber Thornton. Again, I'll make sure that information is in the show notes. You will see a post that says Balanced Working Mama giveaway. I just posted it today, which is Tuesday. So go to that post, and what you need to do is make sure that you are following me on Instagram, but also Spiritual on Instagram. You also have to make sure that you head to Apple Podcasts and complete a review and rating of this podcast. So I know many of you all are listening on Apple Podcasts. If you are, just go right into that app and leave a review and a rating for the Balanced Working Mama podcast. So I know some of you are saying, okay, not fair, I don't listen on Apple. That's not a problem. So for those of you who are not listening on Apple Podcasts, all you have to do is on your Instagram, either create a post or a story, leaving your review right there. So you can do your review on Instagram, but you have to be sure to tag me and Balanced Working Mama so that we can see it. So that's the second thing you have to do. And then lastly, on that IG post that I'm posting for the giveaway, make sure that you tag a few of your fave working mamas so that they can see and get in on the fun as well. So 3 things you have to do, but all of that is on the Instagram post. I'll also make sure to include the link for that in the show notes. But get in on the giveaway because this is our first giveaway, but really it's to celebrate season 2 of this podcast. This podcast has been such a joy for me, one of my favorite things to do, but also it's been such a resource and a breath of fresh air and a place for tips and tricks and help and empowerment, just all the things for so many mamas. And I am excited, and I feel like we really should be celebrating that season 2 is about to come. So I hope y'all will get in on the fun with the giveaway. You'll have time to complete all you need to do for the giveaway because on Monday, the episode for season 2, the very first episode, will be released. And on that episode, I will announce the winner. So get in there, go to IG, do all the things to enter for the giveaway, but then also make sure that you are tuned in because the winner will be announced on episode 1 of season 2. On Monday, October 5th. All right, y'all. Well, I can't wait to talk to you all then. Hope all is well. But until then, happy wellness and talk soon.